Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a virtual drawing in Google Slides. Here are some examples of what I'm talking about. All these these four images are Google drawings that I made in my Google Slides presentation. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and we can then find the area of it. So first, you need to start with a blank slide. All right, empty slide here. And then we are going to use these two buttons for the most part. Actually, on your slide, this straight line is going to be on your slide. So, on your screen, I should say. So you should see this shape button and this line button on your screen. So I'm going to start by including a shape. I'm going to start with including a circle first. So I clicked on the shape button, the circle button, and well, looking at this is not a circle, right? There is no diameter here. There's a width and there's a height, and they're different lengths. That's what makes it an oval. So I'm actually going to click on the shape, then click on format and format options, and we're going to fix this so that it's an actual circle. So you're going to click on, and I'm going to make it so that these are friendly here, the width and the height. So I'm going to make this be a width of 1 inch and the height be also 1 inch, just so that it's now a perfect circle and they're easy numbers to work with. Alright, so once I do that, I don't need that menu anymore for now. So I'm going to put my circle down here, and I'm going to now include a different shape. So shapes, let's put a triangle in. So click on that, click on shapes, click on the triangle, and you can start drawing your triangle. Alright, again, you want friendly numbers for this triangle. You want friendly numbers for all of your shapes, just because you will be finding the area. So once you click on the shape, again, format and format options. That'll help you fix the size of your triangle to make it so that it has easy numbers. So I'm going to make my width be 1.6, and I'm going to make my height be 1.5. Alright, so there is my triangle. If you keep this menu open, you can still use it as you go on with the different shapes as well. So I'm going to now let's include a rectangle. And again, like I said, if you kept this menu open, it'll be there. Otherwise, if you didn't, you can just go to format options, and the menu will come up. So I'm not going to make it so that it's 0.84. I'm just going to make it so that it's 0.8. And I'm going to put this down here as like a leg. Alright, and then I'm going to copy and paste it so that I have a second one. So you probably already know Control C, Control V, or right click, or two touch click, however you do it. So I did Control C and Control V. I just think it's easier on my laptop. Alright, so I have a circle, a triangle, and two rectangles, and now I'm going to include one more triangle, and we are going to make that be the hat. She's wearing a hat. So I made it be a right triangle. Now if you click on this button here, it will rotate the shape for you. So I kind of want it to be a little bit sideways. And you don't want the shapes to overlap each other, because then when you find the area, you're not going to find the area correctly. You want the shapes to be touching one another but not overlapping. So there we go. I now have my 5 shapes. 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 of my shapes are here, and I'm going to now include this. I'm going to now include a little bit has here by adding some lines. So I'm going to click on the line button, and there's an arm, and I'm going to copy that arm and paste it so that I have a second arm. And I actually want the second arm to be on the other side of the triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first click on the line, and then I'm going to click flip. And that'll flip my line so that I can put it on the other side. Alright, so there's my person so far. Then I'm going to click on the line button again. I want to add a scribble line. And I want to add some eyes. So I'm going to copy and paste so I have the same kind of eyes on both sides. And you can actually use your keyboard as well, the keyboard arrows, to move the images around if you want. Alright, I'm going to click the scribble again and include a mouth. I'm going to click on the scribble again and include some hair. Alright, perfect. And then I'm going to change the colors around. So I want her to wear, let's start with her outfit. To wear, let's do a light purple. I want her to have a light blue hat. And we'll just add more color to the rest of the shapes here. And you'll get done with your drawing. So there's my drawing. I'm content with it. You probably want to do more elaborate things here in the background, which is fine, but you need to have a composite drawing just like mine. Okay, this person here is a composite figure. It is made up of multiple shapes, and we are going to find the area of this composite figure. All right, so that is what we're going to do moving on for our project. So start off with a drawing. Okay, make sure that it has everything that we need. So it follows all the guidelines for the number of shapes and what shapes are included, and that's it. Okay, it doesn't need to be much more difficult than this. This is perfectly acceptable. I mean, if you didn't have the different colors and you wanted to keep it gray, again, that's also perfectly acceptable. All right, so I hope you learn how to create a virtual drawing in Google Slides. Thank you for watching.